today we're going to unbox the Scribit. It was supposed to arrive in March of 2019 and this package only arrived 30th of January 2020. Apparently Scribit had a lot of production problems, and after that they had logistics issues, so they can't really ship outside of US and Canada and all that, and my friends were like telling me that, oh no, you got scammed, you're never gonna get your machine, or like China has already duplicated this machine, so you're probably paying too much for your thing, but whatever, I finally got it. So I ordered the Scribit off Indiegogo. Let's open the package! Let's open it. Oops, I just this. Jing, 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 jing. Oh my god, I almost cut my box. Yep, I did cut my box a little bit. Okay. That's cute. Alright guys, alright, let's open it. My god, the box is just this right size. A line is a dot that went for a walk. So cute. Okay, how do we do this? Oh my god, I'm so bad at boxes. Okay, here we go. Ding. It feels tough. It's like metal-ish. Quality all seems pretty good. Oh look, get started. What is this? Download the app. It repeated a few times to download the app. That's the box. To install and use Scribit, download the app. This box includes one Scribit, one power adapter, which I don't know if I can use because I'm in Malaysia and I don't know whether the power adapters are for us. 12 markers, yay! This is a concern to me because I'm not sure how to get the markers. I haven't been catching up, so once these markers are done, I am a bit worried. One welcome kit, yay! Okay, so first off, this feels very like solid. These are probably the holes where the markers are gonna go into. This is the string that will hold the Scribit on the wall. And then, hi, I'm Scribit. Let's bring color to your life. My life is full of color, which is why I have a very plain office. Ding ding ding. And do you see how the whole packaging is so simple, just like how my office is, and we both produce colors? Just saying. Okay, what is in here? Let us see. Okay, I understand. Unboxing, unboxing. Seldom do unboxing. Let's figure this. Ooh, okay. Shh. What is this? First, user manual. This is... I have no idea what this is for. First, just to install the Scribit, check the video tutorials available via the app. Warnings and instructions. So, what do I have to be aware of here? Oop, whoop, whoop. Instructions are quite thick. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's look at this together. Okay. First use. What's in the box? So this is how it's gonna look. This is what it's gonna hold the Scribit. Oh, that's a measuring tape. Nails, drywall, and curves or suction cups. Nailing would have been a problem. And suction cups, okay, that makes sense for smooth places. Hammer, measuring tape, bubble level. Yep. Choose a surface, wall, glass, Okay, I'll read these stuff later, but look at the illustrations, they're so cute. Like, look at the people, the way they draw the people. Quite nice. So cute. Necessary for a creative robots thing. Let's see, warnings and instructions. Do anybody really read these things? I don't, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really. Ooh, so cute! Stickers! These are marker adapters, can work with any marker that you want. This is so important because I might not always want to order their own markers because I don't know how much they will cost, I don't know how long it'll take for them to import the markers. So this is useful. This is useful so I can use any marker. Oh my god, my baby! Okay, this costed me 1,750 ringgit back in 2018. Yes, I had a little bit of money then. I saw a cool robot and I thought I'd buy it off Kickstarter and get it the next year. Unfortunately, it took more than that time to arrive. So unroll only right before hanging Scribit. So only unroll this right before hanging it. So that's it. That's the Scribit. Ah! How do we... Ooh, okay. Yep, there's the charging adapter, I think. Yes, okay, yes. This is the right head for me. Yep, they gave me the right head. Very good. Oh, there's more stuff. Oh, these are the markers. Yay. Okay, what's underneath? Nothing. No more. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at the markers. They say these are erasable markers. So, let's have a look. Why am I so bad at opening boxes? How do you open this without destroying it? Oh, like this. Oh no. Yeah, like this. No, please do not spoil my beautiful... Oh, they're pretty. They're neat. You can feel... Oh, they're so light though. Yeah, they're super light. So there are 3 of each color here. They're erasable. How are they? Ooh. Who else does this? Ooh, they're like whiteboard markers. Okay, okay. So that's what they mean by erasable marker, because they are whiteboard markers. I'm gonna try this on the wall. Let's try this on the wall later. And what is here? Red, blue, green and black. So we have the 12 and 12 markers, so that's 24 markers in brown, green, orange, and a turquoise, and black, red and blue. I think that's more than enough colors that I would need. So yep, and this is the machine. It doesn't weigh crazy heavy. Half a kilo? I'm not sure. Maybe 1 kilo. Yep. Let's test the markers on the wall then. Okay, the ink goes on well. Holy crap, it's not erasable! If you guys don't know, I am a mural artist. So what I do is I design and paint drawings for the wall. And yeah, why did I buy a robot that is going to draw on the wall? I thought you're an artist, Daphne. Well, tech is coming to play in our world, so I thought that, okay, why don't we just make use of what is already there? Like, I mean, I can draw everything I want, but sometimes I will still use a printer just to be fast or cheap. And if it just gets the job done when I need it done, I would do that. So, same for the Scribit robot, which is supposed to draw on the wall. But maybe some people just want an art on the wall and they don't really need me to paint something really like custom and artisty or feely. They just need maybe a design and then they need something on the wall. Then that's where the robot will come in, where, you know, I still design it though. Like, I mean, doing murals, to me, it's not just about taking whatever picture and just slapping it on the wall. To me, when I paint my murals, I actually design them to fit the space. For example, if you have a very like industrial living room, you've got to design something that fits that environment, right? Or like if you have a white clean office like me, you probably don't want to paint something really like, I know, something that doesn't go with the space or really crazy colorful, or like maybe it's just your preference to have certain colors and certain styles, and that is what I do. I design the mural so it fits the space and then I paint it. So when it comes to the robot, I would be designing it first too, and then the robot would maybe paint it. So yeah, it's like I will work together with the robot. It's not that the robot is going to take away my job. If it's anything, it's going to enhance my job. And yeah, if it's going to make things faster and be able to give people what they want, that's great. I just posted this on Instagram and a lot of people have been asking me about the Scribit, so it seems like this kind of thing is kind of useful to get people to follow you on YouTube. Please do subscribe if you watch it, and you can hit like and everything and leave a comment, because apparently it helps with the algorithm. I'm not sure, but I really want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Apart from that, people have been asking me about the robot, and then and they want to see it work.